Welcome back to Overheat 2026 Peugeot Motorhome. External aerodynamics. To lower wind resistance and increase fuel efficiency, aerodynamics will be incorporated into external design more and more. Modern style. The look will stay sleek and contemporary, and complete LED headlights and taillights may be used. Panoramic roof. To provide the illusion of more interior space, some models may include a panoramic roof or a wider windscreen. Awnings, bike racks, and thoughtfully planned external storage are examples of exterior accessories that are probably integrated or offered as alternatives. Interior infotainment. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto-compatible infotainment system with large touchscreen. Swivel seats. The front passenger and driver seats can be moved to create a living space. Seating. A cozy bench or sofa that may frequently be made into a second bed. Lighting. Ambient LED lighting that uses less energy and can be dimmed. Compact kitchen. A useful kitchen featuring a gas stove, sink, refrigerator with built-in freezer, and potentially an oven and microwave. Kitchen storage. There are numerous cabinets and drawers to store goods and utensils. Fixed beds. These can be convertible twin beds or rear double beds, depending on the model. Engine. Primary option will be the BlueHDi diesel engine. In order to satisfy Euro 7 criteria, it is anticipated that fuel efficiency would be enhanced and emissions will be decreased by 2026. Basic chassis. The most recent Peugeot Boxer chassis will most likely be used. Transmission. The base gearbox option will be a 6-speed manual. Suspension. An enhanced suspension system for more comfortable riding, particularly when toting a heavy load. A smart home control system is a system that uses a central touch panel or smartphone app to regulate the lighting, heating, cooling, water levels, and battery. Lithium batteries. Lighter, more durable, and faster to charge. Lithium batteries are being used in an increasing number of RVs. Security measures include an immobilizer, an alarm, and sometimes a GPS tracking device.